Growth is life. Growth is life. Who has told this beautiful statement? The growth is life. Let Dhirubhai Ambani, as we know, the whole world know, a great leader, a great businessman. When we talk about the growth and the life, if you are not growing in your life, whether professionally, personally, it means you are killing to yourself. You are keeping a big disease within yourself like a cancer. If you are not growing, find out within yourself that why you are not growing. What are the causes? And because of that, you are not able to grow. Develop those areas and create more opportunity within yourself and grow more. Growth is very important. If you are not growing, it means you are almost death in your life. You are not living the life. You are just passing the time. And your balance sheet of the life. You have a 60 years, 70 years, 80 years. What would happen after that? If you are not finding out those opportunities and growing in your life, how you are going to define yourself in this beautiful planet? Growth is life. So when we talk about the growth, it comes to know about the organic growth and inorganic growth. The organic growth, which is in your control, how you are managing internally, how you are finding out those opportunities and doing some hard labor, good plan, great work, and creating those opportunities within yourself. An organic growth. Inorganic growth, where you do not have a control, but it can be happen to anyone. You would be grow more when some inorganic growth is coming in your life. Like you get some great opportunities which you do not expect and which are providing to you some great amount of achievement, which was not in your control, but you get inorganic growth. It is as good as the company or corporate are doing. When we talk about the corporate world, they have a clear organic and inorganic growth definitions. Wherever the opportunity in the form of merger and acquisitions, takeover, some political stability, political favor, these all are the example of inorganic growth. And wherever the opportunities to increase the production capacities, increasing more hiring, recognizing the talent pool, internal arrangement and restructuring in order to find out the more growth. This is an example of organic growth in the corporate world. So both are very important. The corporate world, where companies, entities are dedicatedly working to fulfill the commitment, to fulfill the goal. Like the same way an individual is also need to think and finding out those opportunities and grow more. There is no any difference between an individual and the corporate. How corporate are dedicatedly providing those opportunities, creating those opportunities and achieving. In the same manner, an individual should also make their plan budgeting and finding out those actual, do some variance analysis. Where is the gap? Why I am not growing within a quarter, within a half year, within a year? Do some analysis. And then you will find out the reasons why you are not able to grow. You might be having some good amount of plan, but you are not able to execute the way you want it to be because of some internal factor or some external factor. You are at least able to know about this factor and you would be able to take the corrective actions. The organic growth and inorganic growth, both are very essential. And in everyone's life, These are coming. What is important here is that you should not wait. You have to continue to carry on your practice, internal arrangement. Do not wait that, okay, some inorganic growth would become and then I will grow. This would not be happen. You have to find out within yourself and develop more. Develop more. Like how the corporate world is developing basis of their commitment, basis of their goal. They have all those certain processes. They are following up, growing more in there. Like the same way, the individual can also do and grow more. My dear friend, in this beautiful planet, you have only one chance, one opportunity. Don't miss the opportunities. Doesn't matter what age you are. If you are in a 50 years of age, what would happen? Doesn't matter. You still have a 10 year or 20 years. You would be far more intelligent than others because you have a good amount of experience of last 3 decades. You could be able to better utilize those exposure and grow more exponentially in your life. Do not stop, my dear friend. Organic growth and inorganic growth, both are in your hand. What is important here is that you have to continue to do practice, do some internal changes and develop more. You will find out the more growth in your life. Doesn't matter what age you have, what profile you have. You have to bring those opportunities within yourself and develop the way you want it to be. It is your life. This is Sajan Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.